Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link tables in Airtable in 2024. So by linking tables, you can create database or relational database, allowing you to connect information between different tables efficiently. So whether you're managing projects or maybe a customer database or inventory, linking tables will make sure your data more organized and easier to manage. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this you want. Once you open that browser, just go to the URL section. Just type airtable.com. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So let me just wait for the page and set load. And it should be this page, as you can see. So here, this is if it's your first time, you'll find a sign in at the top right corner. Click on it to sign in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, instead, go and click on sign up to create an account. As you can see, you're creating here. You can use a Google account or even Apple ID if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your accounts. Other than that, you can use this single sign-on, which is very, very useful for what? If you want just to use Airtable once. So I want just to come here, create maybe a spreadsheet, a database. I want to save it as a PDF. I want to save it as a CSV file and never come back. I don't need it saved in any account or something like that. So this is good for it. But as we said, your informations or your bases or whatever you created will not be saved. So for me, as you can see, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. And here is an example. You will find, you will have to create a workspace if you still don't have any workspace. For me, as example, I have a workspace, so I'll just go and delete this one. Other than that, of course, you will have to create some bases in here to create like tables on it and etc. If you don't have one yet, you can simply create one from scratch, as example. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can, as example, upload something from another, like, can I delete this? Okay, yeah. So you can upload something from another like thing. Maybe you can upload something from a CSV file, Microsoft Excel, a lot of apps from here. If you didn't find whatever you want, you can submit a request. As an example, you can submit a request to add an app or whatever a source of import where you can import your data. As you can see, there's a lot of things here to submit or to request. If you didn't find what you want, you can simply just go to others and specify whatever you want to add and even add some other information if you want to. Click on submit afterwards. Other than that, you can simply choose one of the templates that they have. As you can see, they have multiple templates. If that's not enough, click on see all templates. Here, you will find a lot of templates. You cannot even, I guess, browse through all of them because there is a lot of templates and there are a lot of templates for each category. So as you can see, in here we have templates for project management. Here we have templates for marketing. Here for product templates. Here sales and CRM templates. Here HR and recruiting. Here finance and legal. You can even load more. Here design UX. A lot of things here. You can keep loading like forever, I guess. Okay, this is the last part. It's fine. You can even view all forms templates and etc. So once you choose the template that you want, you'll be able to start from that. You can even use AI. AI is still in beta, so you might find some errors, especially if you're trying to create AI for the first time. They will tell you, oh, there's an error, so you'll have to click on X and come back and do the same thing. So here, just enter whatever you want to create. An example, just with text, click on Next, and it will create it. Or you can even select from here, an example from the things in here. Then click on Next. It will preview, or you'll be able to preview here the app that's created. If you like it, you can simply use it, and you can even make some adjustment to it before creating it. For me, as an example, I'll just go and access like one of the things that they have in there. I don't know which ones. And do I have tables in here? I'm not sure if I have some tables. So let me just go back to some place where I have tables. I guess in this project management, I have some tables in here. Yeah. So in here as an example, if you want, as we said before, to link tables, or as it's called as an example in here, like records, you'll be able to do that. Simply, let's just go, I don't know, to tasks in here, or let's just go to projects, as you can see, because you have multiple stuff. You can go, of course, and click on plus. You can find like if you want to add some fields, first of all, you can add some descriptions to it and a lot of stuff. But as we said, we would like to link some tables. So how to do so? So first of all, since I have here like four, I'll just go and add another one. Let's just add another table, scratch from scratch. Yeah, I'll just name it tests. So I'll not mess with the others. I'll just fill up here some stuff. And yeah, I'll just put it to this one, status, example, done. Yeah, I'll just do that. As you can see, so now we have here one, two, three, four, five, like five tables. So how can we link those tables together? So I'll also even like delete this notes. I don't need this notes field. Assign all deleted. So now what I'll need to do, I'll click on plus on field on this table and click on link to another record. As example, here they will tell you on which table, basically. So maybe on tasks table. So I want to link this table to the link to the tasks table, which is this one. And as you can see, links to records in tasks table. So you can allow linking to multiple records if you want to, or don't. It's up to you. You can limit record selection to view, as example, not touch anything. You can filter record selection by a condition or use AI to show top matches when selecting a record, but those two will require a better plan, which is a team plan, at least $20 per month if you pay annually. If you don't pay annually, it's, I guess, $24. So just go, as an example, link it to whatever you want, create a field, and as you can see, task name here, yeah, why not, add a field, and yeah, so now, as an example, easy connect data across, used of course across your app. Now, you connected, as an example, this to the tasks in here, as you can see. So, as you can see, this one is the table in here. So now those two tables are linked together. How, what do you want to link, how you want to do it, it's actually now up to you to do it by your own. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.